Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is the blessing of Tahajjud. Every night, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes down to the lowest sky, calling us prayer, offering forgiveness, repentance, and fulfillment, what they need. During this, the last third of the night, knowing for an especially blessing, this is the divine thought. Allah shouts out, who wants forgiveness so I can pardon? Who is turning back so I can welcome? Who needs something I can provide without any reply, like praying Tahajjud or a specific worship. This is an open invite from Allah, shows how He is near to His folk for the people, eager to hear their request. It doesn't matter how far your heart feels from Allah or the numbers of mistake made. The way to mercy remains open. His presence of mercy remains us Allah. Beautiful endurance offer all, ever ready to accept those who earnestly return. The Prophet spoke about this the importance of a night prayer. His favorite hadith shared by the Abu Hurairah is anhu. He said, the best prayer after obligatory ones is a night prayer, means that for Tahajjud. Because on that time, Allah is very near to you, and whatever you will ask, Allah will just provide you. Yes, sometimes it will take time, but it doesn't matter. If we keep doing it, if we keep doing tahajjud, then definitely Allah will reward on us a lot of things. As Abdullah bin Umar heard the Prophet says that in a night, a special time, let any Muslim ask anything and Allah provides. This is the Prophet said. There is another practice of the Prophet that Aisha said that the Prophet prayed at night till his feet swelling. Curiously, she asked his reason. He responded, shouldn't I express my gratitude as Allah's faithful? Because he knew that Allah just forgave him. But the thing is, he wanted to say thanks and how we are doing it and what we are doing it in this today's world. Because right now we do always complain. We don't say thanks to Allah whatever we have. We have eyes, we have hands, we have other things. We can hear it, we can see the world. But what about the other people? They cannot see it anymore. They cannot hear it. They cannot feel it. They cannot taste it. They cannot say it. But are we saying thanks to Allah? No, we are not. So that's the main thing that we should say thanks to Allah. There is another hadith Rasulullah said, in the last night third, you can say the last hour before the Fajr start, our Lord descend to lowest heaven and asking me to respond, who is requesting me to give, who seeking my forgiveness. Imagine Rasulullah is calling us all of us the Muslim, and what we are doing it, we are sleeping on that time because that is a really difficult to wake up. Tahajjud is a very difficult thing. And if you are blessed with the Tahajjud prayer, then definitely it means you are really near to Allah because Allah don't allow people to come that time. It is very difficult for us nowadays to wake Fajr. But if we are waking up at the Tahajjud, that's really blessing. And that's the thing, like if you are wake for the Tahajjud, then don't fall asleep, or if you even though if you do fall asleep, but make sure you don't forget to pray for them. The things we can do it on a tahajjud is like set a schedule. Make sure you sleep early. Prepare mentally and physically. Make sure you are very fresh on the tahajjud time. Although it is very difficult, but if you keep doing it, you will see. And make sure is there no noise. Although the tahajjud time there is nothing comes up and you can pray on time. Make dua. And make sure you do make dua with the bottom of your heart and just trust me and trust Allah. Then your prayers will be accepted. In a sujood, believers are closer to Allah while praying. This is what the Prophet has said. So, why we are not doing the sajda? The sajda is very, very easy, but we are not doing it. Make sure we pray on time, 5 prayers on a time, and make sure that we follow the Tahajjud. If you are praying a Tahajjud, this means you are really blessed. And trust me, this is the best thing. And whatever you ask on a Tahajjud, it will be fulfilled. And Allah will give you, no matter what is that has not been accepted, Allah will give you the best alternate. So make sure you pray the Tahajjud. May Allah give us the tawfiq to pray the Tahajjud on a time and pray all the namaz and follow what the Prophet ﷺ told us. Assalamu alaikum.